If you want to check your GoDaddy email, stay with me because in this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step in a simple way. We'll go from logging in to opening your inbox, and I'll show you exactly where to click so you can read and send emails from your GoDaddy account without confusion. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more easy software and web tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy. Once the homepage loads, sign in with the account that owns your email hosting or website hosting plan. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're using the correct one because the email options will only show up under the right GoDaddy login. After you sign in, go to My Products. This is where GoDaddy lists everything connected to your account, including domains, websites, and email services. On this page, look for the web hosting section. If your email is tied to hosting, that's usually where you'll manage it. Under web hosting, click Manage. Now you should be taken into the hosting management area. From here, open cPanel admin. Panel is where a lot of the email settings and mailbox tools are stored, so this is the important place to reach if you want to access your email account. Inside cPanel, look for the email section. Once you find it, click Email Accounts. This page shows the email addresses associated with your hosting plan. If you have more than one mailbox, this is where you can find the one you want to check. Now scroll through and find your email account. When you see the correct address, look for the Check Email option next to it and click it. This is the shortcut that opens your Webmail inbox so you can access your messages directly in your browser. After clicking Check Email, GoDaddy will usually give you Webmail options. Choose Roundcube Webmail. Roundcube is a simple webmail interface that lets you view, read, reply to, and send emails right from your GoDaddy hosted mailbox. Once Roundcube opens, you'll be inside your inbox. From here, you can read new messages, open older emails, reply to customers or contacts, and send new emails as needed. You can also organize your messages just like you would in any other email app. If you're checking your GoDaddy email often, it helps to bookmark the login page or the webmail page so you can get back to it faster next time. That way, you won't need to repeat all the navigation steps every single time. And that's it. You now know how to check your GoDaddy email step by step through your GoDaddy account, hosting dashboard, cPanel, and Roundcube Webmail. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.